Welcome to a quick update on the Royal Oak model and some of the work that we've been doing on it. After clearing up the parts, removing any flash and waste material, the next job was to actually start detailing it, such as drilling the holes out for the back of the guns and also working on any other areas such as the main plate where it may be vented to allow any water to run off the surface. After the main cleanup and all the fine detailing and removing any air pockets etc. by drilling, the next job was to actually start making the additional detailing that wasn't included with the parts. So in this case it was the shielding to go around the front of the pompoms. Having done some research, we found that the shields leant forward at the top half, so we replicated this from the photographs we'd seen of other pompoms of the same style, and then these were glued into place just using a standard super glue just to hold them. After the completion of the forward shields, I then went on to create the rear handrails and guardrails. This was just done with fine copper wire. In the collection of photographs I was looking at, I could see that there was a rear panel actually in the rear guardrails. So again, I emulated this by using some plastic board. After the railings, I then moved on to fitting the final ammunition racks. These were all cleaned up and then just glued into place. The final part of construction was to install the main gun section. These barrels were 3D printed. Because the original ones that came with the set were white metal castings, they were slightly out of proportion, so therefore I decided it would be a good idea to redraw them, add additional detailing in. As you can see from the CAD drawings that I've included, it helps to just give it a little bit more detailing and become a bit more realistic, and this is what we ended up with.